Here's how you can draw an orangutan using just 3 colors plus black and gray. Let's get started. I like to draw first with the gray so that it doesn't smudge. In the middle of your paper, you'll draw a circle. Not too big, not too small. Make sure it's small enough that you still have room for the head. That's going to be the body. Now we need to draw, you guessed it, the head. So we'll draw a smaller circle. Inside the smaller circle, we'll draw the mouth. And then the smile. Make sure you're doing it with the video. If you want, you could watch it first, but just the drawing part. Then add 2 circles for the eyes. And inside of those, add a smaller circle. They're really kind of ovals. If you mess up, don't worry. It's okay if it's not exactly like mine. The ear is like a letter C and a backwards letter C. Now it's time for the arms and legs. These are really easy. They're nice and skinny. You just draw an L that touches up near the shoulders by the neck, and a backwards L. Then add another one right underneath it. Orangutans have long, skinny arms and legs. Now let's add the legs. It's an upside down L and a backwards upside down L. And then again, the same thing underneath it. For the hands, we'll add an oval with a couple little fingers maybe. They're holding on to something, maybe a branch. And for the feet, we'll add a longer oval. Now it's time to color it in. Let's grab our crayons. Which 2 crayons do we mix to get orange? If you said red and yellow, you're right. So we're going to make this a little bit shaded. That means it'll be a little bit darker around the edges. First, I'm going to take the red and I'm going to color softly, not pressing hard, just around the edges of the body. This will make it look a little bit darker around the edges of his body. I'll do the same thing on the other side. Now I'll take the yellow, and with the yellow I'm going to press harder because yellow is not as strong of a color. Just make sure you don't press so hard that the crayon breaks. So you can see what happens when you color with yellow over the top of the red. It made orange. Pretty cool, huh? Now go ahead and color in the rest of the orangutan doing the same thing. A little soft red first and then yellow. Leave the insides of the eyes white for now. Now we'll go over our gray lines with black and color in the middles of the eyes. Now it's time for you to decide where your orangutan is. You could add trees and branches and vines and leaves all around to show he is in a jungle. Maybe he's in the zoo. What is he doing? Does he have something to eat? It's up to you. Add to your picture to finish it.